What's up? Today this is a very simple thing. We're doing game passes and what's it called, dev products. Now, assuming that you already made your dev product, at the end of the video, I'll teach you how to make one. But for now, just code this, make it after you're done. I've already made mine because I don't know. I made 10 videos before this and realized I wasn't recording. So I had my hotkeys on, and every time I pressed right arrow, it would stop recording. And I kept pressing right arrow, because I go right and left. Anyways. I've already done this piece of code, and I swear if I have to type this again, because this is the part I kept noticing that I'm not recording it. I'm not typing this again, so it's just model in the description. That's all I can say. Okay. But if you like this is your own, I'll paste this in the description too if you want to make your own, like type it. I don't know why you would, but that's an easy part. I don't think anyone can do that. The most important part is that you have the ID, market, and this. Other than that, it's just a mouse click function, and you just put the game.Player. Yeah, you just put the player and the ID in. Okay, the script's where it gets complex. So we need to go local market equals game colon get service marketplace service. Then we're gonna do market dot process receipt. Yep, equals process receipt. Then we're gonna go up a couple, and we're gonna do function process receipt, and then we're gonna do res inf. That's receipt info. That's what I'm gonna call it. And then boom, we have this. We're gonna do local player equals game.players. Actually, colon get player by user ID res inf dot player ID. Okay, then we're gonna do if not player, then we're gonna do enum dot product purchase decision dot not processed yet. Oop. Sorry. Return. We need to return that, and then we're gonna do right here's gonna be what happens just so people that make this that don't watch this part know whatever happens goes in this. We're gonna put, I'll just make the player respawn or something, so we'll do player colon load character. That's reloading your character, basically respawning him. Then we're gonna do a return enum product purchase decision dot purchase granted, and that's it. That's how easy the products are. Every time they purchase it, it's in studio. Don't worry. Oh, it's not for sale. Whoops. Second. I think that's because my game's not public yet. 1 second. Oh, whoops, I forgot to put the price in Robux. Let's just put 1. Okay, sorry about that. Now if we click on it. Oh, I need to leave and come back in. And also make sure your game is public and you have it for sale. Click on and it says you want to purchase it. This is a test purchase and your account will not be charged. And it reloads your character. I mean, I really don't know who would just buy this, but whatever. I don't. They'll say it's something wrong with Roblox's issue. That's their. If you look at it saying, where's that? Core GUI. That's not my problem. All your problems are in the starter GUI. Core GUI is like this. You cannot delete this. Well, you can, but you'd have to get into the core GUI and stuff. Stuff you shouldn't mess with. That's it for dev products. We also have game passes. So game passes are so much easier because you can do all the game passes in a local script. But I'm not going to do it in a local script. I need to make it server-sided so you know how to make yours. So add a game pass to your game. It's so easy to add a game pass. Oh, whoops, I already have one actually. It's even already done. So go into configure and make it where it's paid. Let's just do 1 Robux again. I'm earning 70% of that, which means I get 0. Perfect. Okay, now copy your game passes ID down. Whoops, I forgot to. Back to details. Copy ID, which is gonna be this one. Copy it. go in and we're gonna go put a remote event in the replicate storage remote event. We're gonna name this to not delete it. This is the way I always do it, so yeah. We're gonna name it to buy something. Now we can encrypt this code to something like the user ID plus or times a couple of things to encrypt it so hackers can't get into it. So we're gonna do that. Okay. Whoops, I'm knocking my own glasses off. This is the dev product. We can just remove everything except for we can remove everything. We can remove all of it. And we can paste our code in here, and then we can go if market.player, oh wait, colon, player owns Game Pass or something like that. Wait, no. User owns Game Pass async. And we're gonna do game.Players.LocalPlayer.UserId, comma, ID. Okay. That's it for this. Then we're gonna go there. If market, I think if market, oh yeah. So if user owns Game Pass async, if market dot game prompt game pass finished, whoops, I forgot this thing. If it equals true, I think. I don't remember what I'm doing. Dang it, I worked so hard on this so I would know what I'm doing. I gotta go look at my old scripts I just made a bunch. I'm sorry about that. I'm stupid. I thought this was prompt purchase. I am an idiot. You don't need this. So if you throw an idiot, then we're gonna go. If he does, then we're gonna make it happen. So we're gonna go. Man, the AC turned off. Now it sounds so quiet. 1 second. I can't stand the quiet. I have to have something at least running. Nothing loud. Okay. Hopefully that's not too loud. Okay, so if market colon, yeah, you see this. Then we're gonna do we'll just load the character, but we need to go game.replicate.buy something colon FireServer. Now we're gonna have to do player. Actually, we're gonna have to go game.Players.LocalPlayer.UserId times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Might as well. So we're doing game.Players.LocalPlayer.UserId times 4. Put it to a random number. Remember that number because you have to do that in the remote event. Because we're gonna be checking. Because if a normal person puts it, it will Okay, so times 4. To post that. Actually, wait. I'm not sure how they do that encrypting stuff. I'm trying to think how they do it. Oh, actually, I got an idea. We gotta do it in the script where they can't see it. Well, actually, they can see it because it's a local script. Ah, shoot. We can post with the argument something. I'm trying to think what we post. Okay, let's test. Let's not worry about it right now. We're gonna do else. Now, pop my fingers. That's what I do when I'm trying to think. Else we're gonna prompt it. Market colon prompt game pass purchase. And if we look at this one's we need the instance, so we're gonna go game.Players.LocalPlayer, comma ID. And that's it for that. Now we need to go in here and do game.ReplicateStorage.buy something colon on server event colon connect function. And then in this function we're gonna get the players, so we're gonna do that, and we're gonna go. That means this will fire whenever you buy something. could actually, there's better ways to do this. This is the way I do it. If there's a hacker in your game and he wants to be a jerk, let him be a jerk. Whatever. I just don't understand why people find it fun. You know, I'll admit I actually have a exploit installed, but it's it's not for actually exploiting. It's actually for testing out my own games. That's what I bought it for. I bought the best exploit that you can ever get, apparently. Where's it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I never actually used it on a real game. I've used it only on my games. Well, actually, I can't lie. I have used it on a real game. I've used it on one. I really don't use it often because I don't get why exploiters like it so much. It's so boring. Okay, I can't find it. I'll have to wait. I'll find it later. It is seriously so boring. Don't download one. I don't understand why people like it. It just ruins the fun in the game. It's like, you know, people that teleport through obbies and stuff think, you know, it'd be cool. It's not cool because then you don't get the fun of jumping over stuff and doing parkour and stuff. People would do, like, glitch money and jailbreak. How's that fun? How's that fun? The fun of it is trying to earn it and being satisfied that you actually earned it with yourself. Anyways, that doesn't matter. If they want to be like that, let them. They'll just run the game for themselves. But do the better way. Search it up. I don't know actually how to encrypt code at all. Okay, big chat. Let's just get to work. So buy something on server event. Then we're gonna go player colon load character. Boom. That's simple. But like I would name that like something like chat event or something that would look like Roblox has. And you see that works. Now let's say you did want to keep this safe. I would do something like um, default something that doesn't exist, like default um, default. I'm trying to think of something that sounds realistic. Oh no. Chat replicator. Um, event. There you go. Default chat replicator event. I'm just gonna copy that, and I'm gonna paste it wherever it fires the server, and wherever it gets the server. Okay, boom. Now people are just gonna fall for that thing. Hopefully fall for it thinking it's a chat. But they'd have to buy the Game Pass to actually like check it with their stupid remote spy stuff. Because if you go onto YouTube, you can search up um, how to hack remote events. Oh man, there's some messed up people in the world. Yeah, someone would actually hack your phone like that. But yeah, you can just, there's ways that people make videos all over about it. Anyways, that's how I do it. Yeah. Well, enjoy.